Tips and strategies on how to deal with arthritis. Millions of people join the unhappy company of arthritis sufferers each year when they find themselves stricken with osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, or one of the other varieties. Despite the nigh-overwhelming difficulties that arthritis symptoms sometimes present, you may be able to pick up effective advice on managing them by taking a look at the tips and tricks shared here. Be sure to move throughout the day. Remaining in the same position for a long time puts more stress on your joints than if you shift positions. Be sure to take regular breaks to stand and stretch, and make sure that your work environment is set up to allow you to protect your joints. It is important that you try not to put too much stress on your joints if you suffer from arthritis. The only thing that this is going to do is make your arthritis worse. Instead, be sure that you don't overdo it when you have to use your arms or legs for an activity. If you have rheumatoid arthritis, measure your pain. Use a scale of 1 to 10 to let yourself know how difficult a new task is for you to accomplish. Take a measurement before the task, and again after. This will let you know how that task is affecting your body, and your life. Try practicing yoga in your spare time. Studies show that yoga's low-impact stretching helps to loosen the tendons and build the muscles which surround your joints, lessening both inflammation and pain. If you're dealing with arthritis, you should never skip quality sleep. Your body will not have the strength to fight the pain associated with arthritis without proper sleep. Try sleeping about 8 hours nightly, or 10 when stressed. Your body will respond very favorably when you get enough sleep. As simple as it may seem, it is important that you flex your muscles at least once an hour, if you suffer from arthritis. Sitting or standing in one spot for too long can cause your joints to cramp up and give you pain. For 5 minutes, stand on one foot, with the other pushed up against the wall, and then, switch feet. Consider joining an arthritis support group. Friends and family members who don't suffer from arthritis may have a hard time understanding exactly what you are going through and how much it affects your life. Connecting with other arthritis sufferers in a supportive environment can make it easier to cope with the chronic, day-to-day pain and other difficulties associated with the disease. Seek the advice, and treatment, of a medical professional as soon as possible. This will reduce the amount of harm to your joints and minimize the effects over time. Your best bet is to seek professional guidance immediately and begin a course of treatment. As mentioned previously, arthritis sufferers come in all shapes and sizes. If you know more about the disease and the effects, then you can cope easier. Utilize the above suggestions, and you'll be on the right track towards finding relief from your arthritis pain. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.